Hi guys, this is going to be my own review of 4Editors Platinum Bundle. And right off the bat, I would say it's good, but not great, and definitely not worth $69. I have bought a lot of editing bundles in the past that are way better and cheaper than 4Editors Platinum Bundle. In fact, you can click on the first link in the description below to download my free mini video editing asset. It's 100% free. And to prove to you that I am not the only one not satisfied with 4Editors' bundle, see what other people are saying about it in this subreddit. This person said, I bought the full Platinum bundle last week, but the quality is not there. All the footage is super pixelized and unusable for a quality production. Biggest deception ever. Another person said, I bought it. I'm currently scrubbing the internet for someone that has had success with it because I can't seem to get any of the files to work. I'm using DaVinci Resolve 18.1. I've bought other effect bundles and were able to just download, drag, and drop. But this one ain't that simple. As of yet. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. This customer said they are using Fiverr actors to promote their product by fake reviews. So, no. This person also said, anyone saying it is good is a bot. The package is absolutely woeful. But more importantly, the team behind this editing bundle are massively reporting all negative comments on Reddit to get them removed. In fact, this is what the moderator of this subreddit has to say about these reports. This post, along with dozens of other posts and comments on this subreddit, videography subreddit, and video editing subreddit discussing the same 4Editors bundle, are under what appears to be an organized attempt to suppress negative commentary about the discussed product by abusing Reddit's reporting function. So basically, they are reporting negative comments instead of fixing the products. Overall, the 4Editors bundle is not worth your $69. So instead of paying that amount for an asset you won't end up liking, you can click on the first link in the description below to download my free video editing assets that contains hundreds of assets. It's 100% free and you can use it as you wish. Have a lovely day.